Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be doing our makeup. Obviously I look a little crazy right now because I already have my brows on, but we're gonna fix that right now. Not sure what kind of look we're going for today. It's gonna be something neutral because we are heading to work, so we can't do anything crazy. So let's go ahead and get started. So for my brows, I used a combination of the Anastasia Dip Brow, and I used the Wet n Wild Micro Brow Pencil. So I used both of those on my brows today. So we are gonna bring you guys a little bit closer so we can get started on the eyes. To prime our eyelids today, we're gonna be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me, come on focus, Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 20. We are going to place that on our whole eyelid, and we're going to actually use this to carve out our brows. Take a small rounded brush. Now we're going to take this small kabuki brush and blend out the rest of that concealer. For today's eyeshadow palette, we're going to go in with the Too Faced, almost dropped it. We're going to use the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. We're going to use this fluffy brush. We are going to take the shade Puree right here. We're going to run that all throughout the crease. I'm going to take this more tapered blending brush. See how it's like skinnier? We're going to go into the shade Summer Yum, and we're going to run that right under the color that we just had right there and just blend it out. I'm gonna go back in with my blending brush with no product and just go over both of those. I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild blending brush. We're gonna go in with the color Delectable. Oh no, Charmed, I'm sure. Charmed, I'm sure. Now we're gonna place that in the outer corner. I'm gonna go back in with that tapered blending brush and go into Summer Yum again. That's what we got so far. I'm gonna take my finger and go in with the color Luscious. We're gonna place that all on the lid. Oh, what's that? I'm gonna go back in with that tapered brush with Summer Yum. Go back in with this brush from Wet n Wild into Charmed I'm Sure. And that's kind of what we got. I'm going to take the NYX matte liquid liner and draw a wing. So that's what we got. Looks a little messy, but we'll clean it up. I'm going to do my other eye off camera and I will be right back. Both eyes are done and we need to hurry up because we need to go. Too Faced Hangover Primer. I'm going to take my Maybelline Superstay foundation. Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm going to take my Mercier translucent powder and set. I'm gonna let that sit for a second and go in with the Maybelline pressed powder to set the rest of my face. Now I'm gonna just wipe away what I can. Gonna go with Summer Yum in the lower lash line. I'm gonna take this Glamour Dolls Lisa Frank contour powder and contour. MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. Tarte blush, super cute. Wet n Wild highlight in crown of my Canopy. Jordana Rock and Rose. Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in Cool Girl. I'm gonna set with the L'Oreal setting spray. Benefit Roller Lash Mascara for top and bottom. Let me finish getting ready for work and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I'm currently on my way to work right now. I'm driving, but I'm at a red light, so don't worry. But I was in such a rush to leave that I completely forgot to do an outro or my little selfie montage or anything. But this was a final look. We're on our way to work. This is what we look like, and yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. I know it felt kind of rushed, and I felt kind of rushed because I'm rushing on my way to work and there's so much traffic because it's still raining. People don't know how to drive in the rain, so yeah, I hope you guys really like this look, and I will catch you guys in my next video because your girl is trying to go 100 miles an hour right now. So I'll talk to you guys later. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Go ahead and leave a like on this video if you did like it, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye. Bye.